help keep your stethoscope looking and performing great with regular cleanings. To prevent damage, do not immerse your stethoscope in any liquid, subject your stethoscope to any sterilization process, or store it in extreme heat. It's recommended to clean your stethoscope between exams using a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe. A 2% bleach solution may be used to disinfect your stethoscope. However, the tubing may become discolored after exposure to bleach. The diaphragms, non-chill bell sleeve, and ear tips may be removed for cleaning. If parts are in need of replacement, Littmann spare parts kits are available for purchase. Ensure all parts and surfaces are dry before reassembly. To attach the ear tips, push the small side firmly onto the ear tube until it snaps fully into place. To prevent ear canal injury, be sure ear tips are firmly attached to the headset before inserting them into your ears. To prevent staining your stethoscope's tubing, avoid contact with pens or printed materials, and wear it over your collar whenever possible. Follow these simple steps to keep your Littmann stethoscope looking great and performing at a high level.